Hi, I am M. Jagadish, Associate Professor in CSC Department. Please watch my videos, like and share my videos, and subscribe my channel. Now, come to the next one, that is nothing but constant member functions. So, here in this particular one, constant member function, when you are making one member function as a constant member function, then definitely we are not going to alter any data in the class, which is declared as a constant. So now you are going to declare constant means now look at this particular one. This is a normal member function. I am making this member function as a constant by specifying a keyword that is nothing but const. So when I specify a keyword const, then this function will becomes a constant function. So when we make this function as a constant function, then definitely we cannot alter any data in that constant function. Still, if you want to try to modify or alter any data, the compiler will generate the error like this, one more function, which we make as a constant member function. So this is the way how we just go to specify to declare the member function as a constant member function. Once we make the member function as a constant, we cannot alter any data. We cannot alter any data, and still if you try to alter any data, it generates error message. It generates error message. This is the difference of between static and member function. Static is nothing but the one which we just go to specify by preceding of static. We make the member function as a static member function, but when we go for the constant, by preceding the keyword constant, we can make the member function as a constant. But here the additional thing is we cannot alter any data in the constant member function. Now look at the example, how it is going to work. Now in this particular one, I am defining a class test. I am defining a class test. In this, I simply specify a private data member value in the public. I am using a member function. Up to yet, we call this is a member function, not a constructor. So we'll discuss about the constructor, what actually it means. So here I just go to specify a member function test, and in the parameter I specify value 0 to v, value 0 to v. We already know this is nothing but a default argument. We can pass the arguments also like this. We can pass the arguments like this. Now value is equal to v. That indicates whatever the value that we pass to v, that will be assigned to value. Now if we assign any, if we want to change anything, then automatically it will generate the error. Now look at this. I just go to specify this member function as a constant. So I just go to specify the member function as a constant. In this constant member function, simply I am returning the value. I am returning the value, and I just go to close this class. Now look at the next one. Now we go to execute the program. So come to the main. Now in this, I am simply creating the object for the class test and assigning the value 20. That indicates the value 20 will be assigned to v. T dot get value means it simply passes the 20 value, and get value is nothing but the one which is going to return the value 20. So 20 will be returned. Now look at the earlier class. Now here observe, we are assigning 0. When I just go to specify get value, this get value is nothing but the one which is going to return the value. So when I create the object at the time itself, it initializes the value to v. Now I passed the value there in the main program is 20. So v value is nothing but 20. So that 20 is assigned to value. So when I just go to execute this program, then simply it is returning the value. It is returning the value. So whatever the value I pass it there, the same value will be returned. So the value I passed is nothing but 20. So here it simply it generates 20 as the output. This is nothing but constant member function. Constant member function. We'll discuss the next in the next class, next session.